Inculcate in you as the growing youth of
तीन जाएगा, ठीक है, हर इंस्टीट्यूशन से। आराम से जो नहीं लिए हैं उनका नाम बोलूंगा। जीडीसी धर्मनगर लड़कियों का वो रिसेप्शन वाला में
सबसे दीवार के साथ जो डाउन। Okay, firstly I would like to compliment all of you. मैं आप सभी लोगों को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ for the wonderful and scintillating performance yesterday. The program that you had put up yesterday was appreciated by the chief guest and all of us who were present here. And some of them were eye-catching. The kind of performance that you are put are not less than professional performances. Very good talent that you all have. I urge you to keep nurturing the talent in your life. Now that we are on the last day, my closing address, I will make an effort here to recapitulate what we have gone through the last 10 days. When you had set foot in this camp on the first day, that is 27th of May, all of you were here with some anxious thoughts for the first time in the combined annual training camp, not knowing what exactly is going to unfold in the next 10 days. Having gone through the training, let us together recapitulate what we have actually learned, what we have seen, what we have assimilated, what we will keep us with us through the rest of our life. In this camp, Team 13, the back end staff, that is the PIs, ANOs, my officers, the civil staff, have worked endlessly for the last 1 month to bring a good package for all of you for an all-round development. Development wherein broadly 3 broad headings. Firstly, your personal and professional development. This was achieved through imparting some basic military training in the form of weapon training, firing, drill, fieldcraft, battlecraft, field signals, camouflage and concealment, classes on map reading. All these were some important basic military training which could have been imparted only in a camp like this. Apart from this, we also, through the rigorous routine of the camp, tried to inculcate in you some leadership traits. Something you subconsciously went through. You went through a routine from the time you got up in the morning till the roll call that you finished your classes for the evening. You had gone through a routine. A sense of routine you must have seen kept you calm, focused, knowing fully well what you are going to see or learn the rest of the day. Inculcating this habit of having a routine, being punctual in every occasion will put you in a very good seat, will put you in a good platform in the life to come forward. Apart from this, your leadership skills were chiseled by having a routine of physical training in the morning, yoga, apart from that, mental agility through group discussions, lecturates, drawing competitions, drill competitions, and some important aspects to improve your confidence. That way through certain simple issues that you deal with your everyday life, like your personal hygiene and sanitation, your sense of belonging to a particular organization like NCC through wearing uniform on every day for the last 10 days, holding classes for girl cadets on menstrual issues, and such so on. Inculcate in you as the growing
तीन जाएगा, ठीक है, हर इंस्टीट्यूशन से। आराम से नहीं लिए हैं, उनका नाम बोलूंगा। लड़कियों का वो रिसेप्शन वाला में
सबसे दीवार के साथ जो बैठ डाउन